Hai, salam sejahtera my friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing and sharing my thoughts and experience with you about my dishwasher. I have used this for a year now. This is an Electrolux dishwasher. The model is ESF6010BW. If you have a small kitchen with limited storage space like me, you may consider getting this as it is a compact tabletop dishwasher. Let me show you how I load the dishes into the dishwasher. Firstly, you have to remove any food residues on the dishes like bones, eggs, veggies, rice, and other solid chunks. If you don't, your dishwasher will get clogged. You don't have to wipe the oil away as this is the job of the dishwasher. The dishwasher soap is very powerful. It may feel like you take a long time to load the dishwasher in the beginning as you are not used to it. But be patient with yourself, you will get better. Alright, I'm done loading the dishwasher. This is how I do it usually. For the top part, usually I will put my cooking spatula, small bowls or cups, and baby stuff, even my knives. It does take skill to arrange and fit in all your dishes and appliances into the machine. You need to arrange in a way where the water can spray up and rinse everything inside the dishwasher. Otherwise, your dishes won't get clean. These are some examples from other days of how I arrange my dishes. I find bowls are more challenging to load as the compartments in the basket are mostly for plates. So we try to use more plates than bowls. But you know, sometimes it's hard to do that as my family loves soup and soupy noodles too. So I really need to think of ways to maximize loading my dishes into this small dishwasher. After I finish loading all the dishes, I will usually check the spray arm. This is the spray arm by turning it like this to check whether anything has fallen out from the basket. If this is the case, then it will hinder your spray arm from turning properly and nothing will get clean. This is very important, so do remember to check. And right now I'm going to load my soap tablet into the machine. Yeah, this is how you do it. Then switch on the power and turn on the tap. I'll share more with you about this tab later. Press power and then choose the mode that suits you. Usually I'll choose intensive. Press start and you're good to go. And now this is the next morning. Let's see our dishes. Yep, they're all clean. They look clean. Everything looks clean. Let's see here. This cup is clean, yeah. This silicone bowl, yes, it's very clean. The knives and the spatula. Except for this milk bottle. It could be due to the small opening. The water cannot spray up properly. Sometimes when there are too many dishes inside, this can happen too. For milk bottle, usually I will rewash by hand just to be on the safe side. Next, I would like to show you the preparation and changes I made in order to fit this dishwasher into my kitchen. This extension table is custom made. I ordered from a local store. It's made from metal, so it's strong enough to support my dishwasher. The height of the dishwasher is actually adjustable. I was quite relieved to see this because my custom-made extension table is slightly higher than my countertop. So I feel it's very thoughtful of the manufacturer to design this. For the water connection, it uses a very simple system. Just water in and water out. It looks quite easy to install, but we still engaged a local plumber to help us with this because we do not want to accidentally damage anything. We changed our water tap into this double faucet water tap. Now let me show you the drain pipe connected behind, which is the water out pipe. I'm not sure whether you can see it clearly. It's actually just two hoses, one in and one out. And you see the thin one is actually the electrical cord. The white color hose is for water flowing into the dishwasher, and the grey color hose is for water flowing out from the dishwasher. This is what it looks like under the extension tabletop. The grey color drain hose which you saw just now is inside this white pipe, which was done by my plumber. We happen to have a sinkhole over here, which is perfect for our dishwasher. Alternatively, if you do not have a sinkhole like mine, you can let your drain hose run into the sink. Just make sure to avoid bending or crimping it. Let me show you the interior of the dishwasher. This is the bottom basket. You can actually remove this basket. I'll just put it somewhere else for now. These are the spray head, filter and salt container. The spray head will rotate during wash. You should check your filter from time to time to see if there are any leftover food stuck here. Gently squeeze the cover and turn. You can pour your salt into this salt container. A funnel comes along with the dishwasher. But I have never used salt for my dishwasher because our Malaysian water are considered soft with low levels of mineral. Water is classified as soft water when the hardness is below 60 mg per litre. Therefore, our water is easy on our appliances and plumbing but lacks in health benefit. It's not really a problem for us as we can always easily get our minerals from other food sources or supplements. You can see a small amount of water coming out from the salt container. This is normal according to the manual. Instead of using salt, I use this. It's a dishwasher cleaner. Do not unscrew the cap. Just peel off this top layer and put it inside the dishwasher like this, upside down. This is the top basket. It also has a spray head here. There is a pipe that will lead the water into this top spray head over here, right here. And you see there are little holes on the spray head. The water will spray out from these little holes. All of the information I mentioned here are in the user manual. It will help you to use and maintain the dishwasher properly. So please read it before using the dishwasher. Unlike the bottom basket, the top basket cannot be removed. For the soap tablet, I use this Finnish brand Powerball. You can easily get it from Shopee or Lazada. I like to stock up a 6 to 8 months of supply. Usually I do one wash per day, so I use one tablet per day. You may get a cheaper price on Lazada or Shopee if you buy them during their monthly sale like 7th of July, 8th of August or 9th of September. This way you can reduce your costing to below 1 ringgit per tablet. I even got it for 80 cents per tablet before. So check the sale price from time to time, you may get lucky. We bought this dishwasher at around 2,300 ringgit in the year 2020. Now it's the year 2021. I just saw in Shopee, sellers are selling on average for around 2,000 ringgit now, excluding shipping. I did not check Lazada. You can check it out if you are interested. The piping installation cost us around 300 ringgit. I feel the price is still reasonable. As the saying goes, you don't pay the plumber for banging on your pipes, you pay the plumber for knowing where to bang. So overall, this compact dishwasher has been a great blessing to me and my family, although it can't help me wash all my appliances and all my dishes, but it has improved the quality of our life to a certain extent because I don't have to spend so much time and energy standing by the kitchen sink washing every single dishes that I use daily. I could get more things done in a day and spend more time with my family. Maybe some of you may think that washing a few dishes won't take long. 15 minutes after a meal is not considered a lot of time, but for me, in this season of my life right now, it adds up to a lot if you really keep track of the time. I would choose a bigger dishwasher if I have the space and budget, but right now it is what it is for me and I'm happy about it. I hope this video can help you a little if you are considering whether or not to get this dishwasher. This is not a sponsored video. I like to share info about the things and gadgets which I find can be helpful to busy parents or people like me in order to help make our lives easier. I plan to upload more useful gadget videos and mummy videos soon. Let's find joy in the little things of life together. Please press like for my video and subscribe to my channel. You can also press the bell button on to receive notifications when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I hope to see you again soon.